Okay, I'm back. This is going to be our second video in our WordPress series. And there were a couple things that I forgot to go over in the dashboard last time, and I thought we could cover those today along with installing our first plugin. So we're going to go back over here to the dashboard of our WordPress site. The one thing I forgot to do, and I didn't notice it until I was looking at the video, is in here in settings. Let's go up to general. Well, I always have my WordPress site set up so that they automatically change this where it says WordPress address URL to HTTPS. So we need to change that in here. This, like I say, is an auto-generated version of WordPress. It's not the one I usually use, so it is not set up exactly like I have my personal site set up when I'm doing a local host development. So now that we have that changed, we come down here and hit Save Changes, and it's going to kick us out because it's a different URL that we are using now. So we're just going to go back in, and there we go. On your own site, you would need to log in your password, your username and password, but this is a development site here on a local host. Now we're going to go to the plugins page, and we're going to first of all go to install plugins. I want to go take a look at those, and you will see that we have a couple of plugins already installed here. I don't want either one of those. You know, Akismet, that's a good plugin. If you pay for it, I think that it's great, but I'm not paying for it, so I don't need it. So I'm going to hit delete. Okay. And then Hello Dolly, that's been in there forever. It's kind of useless. We're going to delete that as well. Now we have no plugins in here. I'm going to hit install plugins again. You can see that no plugins. We're going to go to add new, click on that, and it pulls up a bunch of plugins on wordpress.org that we can install. What I'm going to do is type in here what I'm looking for, and it's going to be brand. And there we go. I want to install this plugin right here. So what we're going to do is hit the Install Now button, and you'll see its little wheels turning. It's installing. Okay, very nice. And just like with the themes, all you have to do is hit Activate, that blue Activate button. And there we go. We now have a new plugin installed on our WordPress site. I'm going to, I'm going to move over to a live site soon. I just wanted to cover this very quickly because what this plugin does is it gives us a chance to do a coming soon page and a lot of other things too. But the first thing we're going to use it for is the coming soon page. And I will resume this video with a new one soon. As always, I'm wishing you the very best. Have a great day. Bye.